in this video, I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube one-handed. I'm left-handed, so I'll do my left hand, although I can do it in either hand. Obviously, it's harder than solving a regular cube because you turn it slower, and sometimes you lose your train of thought. I can lose my train of thought very easily. So, I'll start now. Start green on the top. Let's see. Wow, I am getting some serious hand cramps right now. I'll do some patterns. There. A little pattern. Well, I haven't been practicing this too much. I used to be able to solve it in my right hand in 2 minutes and 36 seconds. My left hand 3 minutes. Not sure why this one, my left hand's slower. I'm left-handed, as I mentioned before. But anyway, that's how you solve it one-handed. Very painful.